for me mamoni akwaba eba Melodies Podcast YouTube channel so me share and there your first time wa subscribing and clicking notification bell on so am I the latest news be about one sabe can not say for your ko yinima no say anopano me reported trem say okay na that screen so send you subscribe no yanko yesem so anopano me reported trem say aban aye na adwen say we see a year new parliament house. Now new parliament house we ebe cost Ghana $200 million. It is for $200 million. So $200 million he you convert it aba Ghana skemwa ebe ye 1 billion new Ghana cedis. 1 billion new Ghana cedis. And your old cedis 1 billion, no. New cedis 1 billion. Just say what they call old cedis, they are Sikachi Japan na eti for any easy. Na womo aye omo adwen se womo gina adie we mu ama esipeyo no majority leader or say chairman Sabonsu. Wo hwe engagement abo have with the public name am to me say wo gina mu pa the den say yensi sap new parliament house obi enim de ntia. Na area we ya wo ko Twitter the hashtag drop the chamber. Hashtag drop that chamber. Drop that chamber. Just go fire flyer crowd while we flyer and send you down screen so no. Hashtag drop that chamber. And no any trend we Ghana is here. Just say wo bia what ya same way bia be it MPP and NDC ni bia no ne bakone ne bu afuyie. Obi a what ya same way bia no ne bakone dwapa papa just say ne bakone ne bu fuefu no enye easy. Nini I say Ghana for NTS say still you will school under trees. Still a quine enye. Still potable water ebimo eni e krobi kra omu ni electricity. Yeti na Ghana na say krobi ebeda ne popular eye kote ya aboa ne hwa e mobo san kro ni ayesi omu ni electricity. Kro akesi bi wo ho abomo eni electricity na kro nketenkete bi nso wo omu ni electricity. Na Ghana yenya sika yesi yedikosi new parliamentary house and you say old one kra aye dada and you say old one ebubu egum and you say old one aye dada je for muntie ni you and you say old one aye dada na old one ebubu egum and you say the number of parliamentarians kra ados one outnumber the old one no old one enya hwe you say you say new one keke until you kofa $200 million eni yedikosi. Now, a lot of Ghanaians are outraged about this. Woko Twitter at the moment, the hashtag drop that chamber and they're trending at #1. Just say, what should journalists, a kuku dama, womo kasafa, same way, womu deep politicians at MIT for. We don't say, easy. Politicians need there, ye dio matem ye pana. Matthias Sembiama, Meraho. Say Ghanaian politicians, no more fine say, young kola. Because say penny pan wo be ma reason be a woman na asama mete ye no interview or say chairman Sabonsu eni ebisa na say sa new parliament house yi sa new chamber yi enhu ehia kesika keke na mo be say no reason a wo ma na say wo hwe senior old one netia majority leader any minority leader kra no wono otise chairman Sabonsu no oto ne nsakra wo betumi edu bebi a eye minority leader nete enya say o say chairman Sabonsu aseme na wo ken parliament house ne ya yehu se ne hoti o obi an bebi a majority leader te obi an bebi a minority leader te ade ne se otumi ka se oto won nsakra wo behu ade wonsa no oyo owo ana wonsa no e wasen wonsa nkwa no 1000 feet ana woka se woto nsakra onsa betumi aka minority leader chairman Sabonsu onsa ko kan se ni enti a eje for munti o reason enti a ye $200 million ekosi we no ene na chairman Sabonsu ka se ono no oye majority leader woto ne nsa beka minority leader ka na se old one no space in him sa no person che eno sa so person che se old one kra no be dia minority for ne majority for ne te no wo movie kan na wo ho beka obi inti no imagine say BBAC ewo parliament house or debate BC na omo anti omo ho ase na entokwa esomu dia na chese no ano no and you say hey into penny toto pan a woman reason say several years ayewo Ghana old parliament house you use no into kwa be na esi adan na work as a new one way into new one no be say o say new one dey moko shemu a e be preventable say mo nko anase den and spaces na wo mu ni nti mu ntumi nko anase adan na mu di omina brosa na so woman reasons be say ya Ghana ni bi better say aka say no papa we dey nti a wo ko TV national television so e common reasons be say no it say e dia sika no wo nya bi afrim nti na woman reasons be say because opinion there said brabion akola na ke so my reason we no opinion oh that be come again now the person me read some of the tweets from top Ghanaian personalities where Sadiq Adams say sports ni kese e wo Ghana ha say na wo nim na e bia wo be nim ni nickname e sports Obama me can sports Obama me sure say wo hu ni pakro ono ne friend Sadiq Adams tie asemo kan o say it is not the chamber that needs an upgrade but rather the brains that work in there, because a comfortable room does not make a fool acquire wisdom. Now me read the Bible say it is not the chamber that needs an upgrade but rather the brains that work in there, because a comfortable room does not make a fool acquire wisdom. Now the person can say washa enye parliamentary house ho and they say yes sano enye parliament house on they say yes sano na omo a wo mo team no wo mo adwen e na sebe e say yes sano if you say okwasia wo de no ekoto edan kesie mu o ka say edan we wa ye bibia ma ne kra na wo ye kwasia na de okwasia enye edan kesie wo de na akotum no na be ma na sua nyansa nti utumi say asem kesie pa na wo ka tre parliamentarians no we so Nana Ama Agyeman Asante. Nana Ama Agyeman Asante was your top journalist at City FM. Or your top journalist at City FM. Now Nana Ama Asante, the other kind say was say the government of Ghana cannot afford to put incubators in every hospital, provide schools with computers, but it has money to build a new chamber for MPs who come from communities with no schools, hospitals, courts, factories. Isn't this hatred? We need to make them #drop that chamber. What's it what Ghana has say ya? A buy into me five incubators and control hospital. After them there hospital in past shortage. Oko hospitals and go for edit the phone in pa any ho. Schools be brew who computers crab mu ni bi. But a buy e wo sika say what they could see new chamber ama MPs. When you are someone Nana Ama Agyeman Asante Walker, it's here for drop that chamber, and the trend is here. Woko social media, Twitter in particular, aye butu. Obi also say same leaders make graduates feel useless for going to school because after school graduates need to think outside the box. Someone can't even afford 3 square meals a day, and you want to build a chamber, build it and let's see. And no any asema will be so can. Say aden na Ghana ha say class say abebe do no uwie school university krana wunye djuma nye na yenya sika kesie say ye de be ya de pano ye de be nyansa de ne say the kosi chamber ma MPs. I say we have a date. I need you to show up in your numbers. Not just say yes, drop that chamber. Washa flyer no send your boss on Saturday 13th July. Saturday we are 13th July. Koso demonstration kesiye koso atrese koso obi say the $200 million should be allocated into the development of rural areas. People are lacking basic needs in most rural areas in the country. I say Chinese embassy spent $20 million to construct 1,000 boreholes for Ghanaians. It means 200 million can provide 10,000 boreholes. Many of our MPs represent people who share drinking water with animals. Obi also say this chamber for the House of Commons in UK has been in use for over 162 years. That is a UK crown one chamber one use for 162 years. Na Ghana ya come wokoje mwano. Ye use no kakre bi pe ye say oh you go see new one. Aden na sebe ye hu say. Aden na ye di ye ho aburo say. Obi a friend Jessica Yeboah was say introduce a shift system in parliament if the house can contain parliamentarians, you were able to implement that in our senior high schools. Why not the Parliament House? We also any answer some will be can say na mo nyaska emfensi more schools e Ghana. Na students SHS for doors no. The mo ye say mo call a shift system. A golden track, ni blue track, ni there no. Double track no. Mo call double track. Na aden na mo so say mo se mo adults on aden na Parliament House so mo call double track wo ho. Just say mo pen na mo de mo ye nyansa fo wo. Etefo wo hwa enkrofo etwesi aban ne so a wo di aban just say o mo me di aban na tem di aban na tem di aban na tem etefo nye easy na chewadwen e wo comment box ni mo chewadwen e wo comment box ni mo me da say